In here, I have 2 liters of water. I have my zobo leaves, the hibiscus leaves or flower, 1 cup of the leaves, and 1 cup of the crumbs. They are already washed and ready to use. So in my 2 liters of water, I will pour the zobo leaves. I'm going to allow it to soak well and thaw into this water, so I'll keep overnight. But if you are making an instant zobo drink and you don't have all the time, move on to the next step, which is boiling. So this is the first step. Welcome back to Oluwatunseyi channel. Today, get ready for a healthy twist on a classic favorite, homemade premium zobo drink. Get ready to discover the secret to transforming this traditional hibiscus drink into a luxurious treat that rivals fine wines. We have 6 oranges, we have beets or beetroots, 2 of them, 1 pineapple, very ripe. Then watermelon, 1 medium-sized watermelon, 3 strands of lemongrass. Make sure your hands are clean and the fruits also properly washed. It's time to extract the juice from the fruits. I didn't remember to mention the cucumber. So we have 1 cucumber. Then the oranges have been peeled, now the juicing begins. We start with the pineapples. Beets, cucumber, oranges, any other can be followed. Kindly watch to the end because I have a bonus for you. As usual, right? Now I want to show you the other ingredients. We have a 1/4 cup of pineapple peels. A 1/4 cup. I will not want it to be too much because of the taste. The peels are sliced like this and they all measured a 1/4 cup. 1/8 cup of orange peels for the zest. So we have the peels from our fruits, orange, the oranges and the pineapple. Black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon, cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon, cloves, 15 of them, or you call it a 1/4 teaspoon. Garlic, 3 cloves. You can adjust to your preference because this is actually a homemade drink. Then we have ginger, 1 medium size. I need a 1/4 cup of this. So after chopping the ginger, this is what we have, a 1/4 cup. That's exactly what I need. While I'll be thinking of how to put all the juices in the freezer, okay, all of this will be added to the soaked zobo leaves. You can decide to juice your ginger alongside the fruits. All of this will go into the zobo leaves, so I bring back our pot and put the spices and the fruit peels. The next day, we bring in our stove and this is the second water I'm adding. Have a look. I added another 2 liters of water. I have brought it to a boil. I will sieve this and get ready for the last batch of boiling. I will add this little water so I can boil the 3rd time, so I can glean everything, okay, from the leaves as much as I can. After boiling, I'll add the fruit fiber or pulp to the boiled leaves. This was what I got from juicing the pineapple, beets, cucumber, and this from the watermelon. Stir everything and let it rest for a while. Stir again and it's now time to sieve. I'm adding it to this 1st and 2nd batch I sieved earlier. I'm going to pass all of this through another sieve that has a finer mesh. This ladle or spatula will help me hold the sieve firmly to the pot since I'll be using my 2 hands to lift the pot. I will rinse the empty pot and bring back so I can divide all we have filtered into 2. If you are using a big pot, you don't need all of that. All you need is to add your fruit juice and stir. Yes, I bring back the pot. These are the juices we kept in the refrigerator. I'm trying to divide this into two. I will also try to share the juices evenly as much as I can. Now to the extras. Let's add our date syrup as a sweetener. Half a cup. Have a look. Look at this. If you want to know how to make this, slide into my playlist and see the video on date syrup. This was frozen. I can still see some ice in it. Again, it is homemade. You are in control of the amount of sweetener that goes into your drink. I'm trying to mix properly for even distribution. If you use a big pot from the start, you won't need all of this. If you have seen the previous Zobo drink video I made, I used a very big pot in that video. I'm going to dispense them back into these bottles. But before then, let's put them aside. I want to show you some of the things I have here. I have apples, 2 apples, the red and the green, grapes, lemon. If you have watched till this moment, this is the bonus. Let's prep these fruits together. Slice to any shape or size of your choice. While doing that, remove the core of the apples. For the lemon, this is how I intend to use it. I cut into 2, take only a fraction and deseed or remove the seeds. And like I always say, for any of your homemade recipes and creations, you are in control of what goes into them. So feel free to do it your way. Make sure your fruits are properly washed and your hands are clean. I will put the apples into the bottles now. For the red, 1, 2, 3. For the green, 1, 2, 3. For the second bottle, red, 1, 2, 3. Green, for the green, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and a small slice to make it 4 slices of apple in each of the bottles. For the grapes, just make a little slit or a little cut, not completely but still having the grapes intact. Remember, the kitchen is your playground for culinary innovation. And with a sprinkle of imagination, the possibilities are endless. I do hope you remember that watermelon juice hack that produced this shape that is serving as a container for our Zobo drink. If you've not seen that, please kindly check my previous videos. As we wrap up this drink creation, I hope you've enjoyed diving into the world of homemade premium Zobo drink with me. Remember, with a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of passion, you can elevate any recipe to extraordinary heights. I have a number of healthy Zobo drinks videos on this channel, so feel free to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share if you loved this video, and stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes and cooking creations here on Oluwatunseyi channel. Until next time, keep sipping and keep spicing up your cooking skills and creations. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.